Maybe she needs a motivation. Call her over.
Come here, part-time. Come here.
Tell you what. If you can walk over here, I'll give you this £5. Locked and stuck to the floor.
Come here. Go.
Locked and stuck.
Go for the £5.
Don't fall over.
Oh my
If you can walk, you can get this £5. Everything looks like it's going great in that clip. So what could possibly go wrong? Well, today you're going to see a skit go horribly wrong. What do? Does a hole open up in the ground and swallow me? Or do I manage it? Keep watching inside. Hi there, it's Turan here from Feel Good Hypnosis, and it's a bit cold outside today, but the weather's nice and I love the sort of leaves falling off the trees. You can see that a lot of the trees are bare there behind me, and some of them have golden leaves right now. It's a nice time of year, even if it is a bit nippy, so I'm going to keep this short and sweet. This week has been a busy week. Last weekend I was at the UK Hypnosis Convention. I was actually speaking on the topic of street hypnosis and how to get started, and what I was delighted about was there were a few people that watched this channel that were attending that convention, so it was great to see you guys, and thanks very much for your commitment to myself and this channel and coming along to the convention. Already there's a great 20% off deal for early bird people who want to sign up for the next year's UK Hypnosis Convention. It is a great convention, so I highly recommend it. Why do I recommend it? Not only are there great talks, great insights in the lectures and presentations that go on at the UK Hypnosis Convention over a period of 3 days, but on top of that you get post-convention presentations, all-day workshops, and probably just as importantly, where real conversation goes on, like in this photograph here. You can see me with a complete international cast of hypnotists and hypnotherapists, and that's where the real discussion goes on, over dinner, in the bar, at the coffee breaks. If you're going to a convention, whether it is the UK Hypnosis Convention, any convention, I really recommend that you just don't shy off in the corner, you don't head off back to your bedroom in the hotel. You get involved with the conversations, you make new connections. That's where the real power of one of the many real powers of hypnosis conventions gets on. So do get involved, sign up for the UK Hypnosis Convention. It's going to be even better than this year, and this year's was fantastic. I've learned new techniques, new ideas, new principles, as well as giving out great hints and tips about how to get started in street hypnosis. I haven't picked my topic for speaking next year. Hopefully I'll get selected, but sign up now. Highly recommend it. Okay, enough of that plug for the UK Hypnosis Convention. Getting back to this week's video. You've seen this girl before in 2 other videos. The first video was her induction, and I released that about a year ago, and more recently another video where she had name amnesia, and they were great videos and great skits. But what I didn't show you was the skit in between those two, and in that skit you're going to see, I'm going to show you the complete unabridged full set. You're going to see the induction again, you're going to see her foot stick to the floor, you're going to see the name amnesia skit again, but I'm going to play the complete unabridged set, so you'll see that bit in the middle. If you just want to go straight to that video, maybe you've seen the other 2 before, I'll leave a chapter link for that skit. I'll break the skit down this week into each skit so you can check it out. The whole video is about 9 minutes long. It's a great laugh, you'll really enjoy it, but it'll show you what goes on in the middle, in this middle skit. Stay tuned after the video is finished, because I'm going to come back and give you a little mini tutorial on what went wrong. Why did that skit not work? Or possible ideas as why it wouldn't work anyway. So stay tuned for that. You're going to get some insights into the mind and into hypnosis when you hear that. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and at this point I usually say click the big red subscribe button so you get subscribed and notified of all the videos that come out. But YouTube have changed the colour of the subscribe button, so it's no longer a big red subscribe button. So click the big subscribe button below. If I say red out in the future videos, please forgive me. It's a bit of a routine inside my head and a bit of a script. But click the subscribe button so you get notified every time a new video comes out. Click that bell notification button next to the subscribe button as well. Let's watch the video. It's going to be lots of fun. I know you're going to enjoy it. Check it out and stay tuned afterwards.
Oh my God, I'm gonna watch this.
Have you been hypnotised before?
No.
No. Very good. Put your feet together. Stand up straight. Okay. What I'm going to do is rock you backwards and forwards. Okay.
Can I put my bag down?
Yes. Yes.
Give me your bag.
And I'm going to rock you backwards and forwards. Go with me. Arms down by your sides. Nice, loose, limp, and relaxed. Let's see. Sure, don't grab your hair. Just loose, limp, and relaxed. Loose and relaxed. Loose and relaxed. Just let your hands drop into my fingers. That's it. So, say.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Okay, you get the idea? Right, let your loose, limp, and relax. Just let your, like a rag doll. Perfect. When I drop the hands down, just let them drop down. There you go. Now you pulled your hands down.
I did.
If you can't follow my instructions, it's not going to work. Do you want to be hypnotized?
Yeah.
Right. Listen, tell you what, we're going to do something. We're going to do something else. Are you left or right-handed?
Right. Right.
This one.
Yeah.
This hand is.
Yeah.
Okay. I want you to put your arm out nice, stiff and rigid. Stiff and rigid. So stiff and rigid that I can't bend it. Do you think you can do that?
Yeah.
You strong enough? Let's see. Good and strong. Now I want you to make it even stronger. I want you to make it so strong that even you can't bend it. And only when you know that it's so strong that you can't bend it, go ahead and try and find you can't. What's that like?
What the freak?
Exactly. Because you're already hypnotized. Close your eyes down now when I say the word sleep, sleep. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. Drifting, sinking down. And your unconscious will let that hand just drop down by its side just as quickly as you can go down. Even deeper still. Even more relaxed. There you go. Even deeper, even more relaxed. Letting all the sounds around you, people laughing in the background, just help you absorb you into this wonderful feeling of hypnosis now. That's right. And the breeze is blowing through your hair and past your face. Just helps you absorb you into this wonderful state. That's right. And the deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. When I drop that hand down, just go 10 times deeper. 10 times more relaxed. In a minute, I'm going to count from 10 down to 1. With every count I count, just allow your unconscious now to go down even deeper still. So 10, going deeper now. 9, even deeper. 8, 10 times more relaxed. Doubling that feeling of relaxation. 7, 6, so deep, so relaxed. 5, but letting all the sounds around you and people laughing in the background help you absorb into this wonderful state now. And 3, by the time I get to the number 1, your unconscious will take you to the place that even I couldn't take you to. So deep, so relaxed in the wonderful state of hypnosis that every suggestion I make will become your reality. So 2 and 1, so deep, so relaxed. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3 you can open your eyes and be back with us, but every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, your head will drop down to your chest, your eyes will open up and your eyes will close down and you'll go back down and double this feeling that you have right now. Nod your head that you understand. Every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, your head will drop down to your chest, your eyes will close and you'll double this feeling of relaxation. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. How do you feel? Sleep now. Way down, even deeper, even more relaxed, deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. And 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. And sleep now. Even deeper, even more relaxed. Doubling that feeling of relaxation every time you close your eyes down now. That's right. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 this time. When you open your eyes you'll be back with us, but you're going to feel so relaxed, so comfortable in this position you're in now. It's like your feet are part of those flagstones. It's like you're glued, cemented, locked to the floor. You will not be able to move your feet. And the more you try and move your feet, the more your feet just lock and stick in position. The more you try and move those feet, they just lock and stick down. It's like they're 10 tons. You will not be able to move them. They're stuck to the floor. Nod your head that you understand. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Enjoying this feeling of hypnosis? Go ahead now and try and move your feet. Really try. Really try. The harder you try, the harder they stick. The harder you try, the harder they stick. Tell your friends what it's like.
I feel like I'm going to the floor.
Harder you try. Harder you try. Really try. Maybe she needs a bit of motivation. Maybe she needs a motivation. Call her over. Tell you what. If you can walk over here, I'll give you this $5. Locked and stuck to the floor. Locked and stuck. Don't fall over. If you can walk, you can get this $5. No. She needs more motivation. £10. £10 if you can walk over here. Locked and stuck. Locked and stuck to the floor. Locked and stuck. Stuck. No. Too slow. It's going away.
That is a lie.
And sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. Drifting, sinking down, even deeper still. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 your feet will no longer feel stuck. Your feet will no longer feel stuck, but when I say the word hypnosis, every time I say the word hypnosis, You're going to jump up and down in the air, do a big star jump and say, hypnosis is the best, at the top of your voice. You'll have this compelling feeling just to want to jump up and down, do a big star jump and say, hypnosis is the best. Every time you hear the word hypnosis, nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. So how's it feel? Move your feet now. Good stuff. So are you enjoying hypnosis?
I'm not doing it. I have enough control. I'm not doing it.
Sleep now. Way down. Deeper, 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 relaxed. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, you can open your eyes and you'll be back with us, and you no longer feel compelled to do star jumps. You're no longer compelled to do star jumps. But on the count of 3, it's like your name is stuck to the back of your mind, glued and stuck, just like your feet were stuck to the floor. Your name is stuck to the back of your mind. You will not be able to say your name. The more you try and say that name just sticks in the back of your mouth. You know what it's like to forget something when you see that girl on the big screen on the TV and you say, I know that girl's name, but I cannot say it. That name is gone now. That name is stuck at the back of your mind. Nod your head that you understand. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. So, I'm terrible for introductions. My name's Turan, and what's your name when you try and say it? Look at me. Look at me. What's your name? How do you try the harder it sticks? Your name is? Really try. Really try. I tell you what, when you say your surname, when you say your name in rhyme, you can sing it. You can say it. So sing the birthday song. Sing the birthday song. Happy me, happy. Sing it in rhyme. It's getting funnier and funnier, isn't it? It's getting funnier and funnier. And the more you try and say your name, the funnier it gets. The more you try and say your name, the funnier it gets. And you start to laugh like a monkey. You start to laugh like a monkey. It just gets funnier and funnier and funnier. Look at me and sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. Drifting, sinking down, even deeper still. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and on the count of 5 all hypnotic suggestions are going to disappear from your mind. You will remember your name fully, it'll come back to you fully. You'll no longer feel like laughing other than when you really want to laugh yourself. And your feet will no longer be stuck to the floor. But on the count of 5 you feel full of life, full of energy, like you've had a 12-hour sleep, like I've had a 6-hour massage. Full of energy, full of life, to enjoy QCon for the rest of the day and really enjoy yourself for the rest of your life, full of confidence. So 1, feeling that feeling of hypnosis just disappear from the tips of your toes. 2, washing up through your legs, through your stomach, through your pelvis. 3, take a deep breath in. Feel the energy washing into your head. 4, like a fresh mountain breeze. And 5, stretching right awake. How's that?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Sophie Alexandra.
Is that the right name? Just checking. Good stuff. Great to meet you, Sophie Alexandra.
Thank you.
There you go. How did you feel about hypnosis?
That was cool.
It was cool, wasn't it?
I want to try. I forget my own name sometimes, so I don't know if it works.
Well, welcome back. Did you enjoy that video? It was lots of fun, and look what happened. There was a skit at the beginning which was very good, and a skit at the end which was very good, but that skit in the middle, when I asked her to jump up and down and do star jumps, she didn't do it. She just turned around and says, I'm not going to do it. What's happening? What happened to the hypnosis? Did it break? Did it fall apart? No. She's still in hypnosis, and hopefully you understand that when you look at the expression on her face when she couldn't say her name, which was the skit after the failed skit. And I'm saying failed skit because was it a real failure? What was happening there? Why did it not work? Why did she not do the star jumps when I said the trigger word hypnosis? I give sufficient details of exactly what I wanted her to do in the hypnotic suggestion, and yet she didn't accept it. I always say this, think about the word suggestion. If I was to invite you around to tea and I could say, well, you can have a biscuit or you can have a bun, I think you would like the bun. That's my suggestion. I think you would like the bun. I'm directing you towards selecting bun, but you still have a free choice. That's what a suggestion is. It's not an order. I've got biscuits and buns, but you must eat the buns. That's an order. But a suggestion is, I think you would enjoy the buns. It's giving a very, subtle suggestion, and that's all hypnosis is. So even though she's hypnotized, if there's something that she feels would embarrass her, if there was something that would be maybe against her morals or beliefs, for instance, if she was a very strong Christian, and again, I'm going to put that forward as a suggestion, despite her costume, devilish costume, but if she was a very strong Christian and I said, start worshiping the devil, she wouldn't do it. You are always in control in hypnosis. I think that's the thing I always try to emphasize to people, especially those coming to get help with anxiety, with stress, any fears and phobias. And some people say, I would love to get rid of my fear, but I don't want you taking control of me. Hypnosis does not take control of you. Hypnosis is the process of me helping you connect with yourself. And if you connect with yourself and want to experience what it's like just to have amnesia, you will have amnesia. Not because I made you, not because I ordered you to, because I made the suggestion and you were happy enough to accept that suggestion. She accepted the suggestion of amnesia very clearly. She couldn't say her name. Look how confused she is when she tries to say her name. Her eyes are darting around. Where's my name? She can't see it, she can't feel it, she can't sense it at all inside her head. And yet when I said do the star jumps, she said, I ain't doing that. So from my perspective, I don't see that suggestion as a failure. Obviously those people watching might consider that, oh, the hypnotist is not that powerful, but that's because they feel their understanding is that the hypnotist is all powerful and is taking control of the girl. And it clearly looks that way when I tell her her feet are stuck and she accepts that suggestion. She can't move, and to the point where I was offering her money and she couldn't move, she couldn't grab it. It looks like I'm taking control of her and she has no free will. But I love it when these situations happen. I don't see it as a failure. I see it as a great opportunity, as I'm doing now, to explain that she has that free will. She has that ability to say, this is not something I want to do. There's 101 reasons, and I don't know which, and I didn't quiz her on that afterwards, as to why she didn't do that skit, why she didn't want to do star jumps. But she's free to do that. It may have been that she feels her costume would have fallen apart if she jumped too vigorously around the place. I don't know. And nobody will ever know really, because it may have been an unconscious thought inside her mind. The key thing is she's in control, as would you be in control if you were hypnotized by myself. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click that subscribe button. Depending on whether you're in dark mode or light mode now, it'll either be black or white, but we'll just say subscribe going forward, so if they change the color again, it doesn't really matter. And don't forget, click that bell notification button next to that subscribe button. And if you have any comments, have any questions, then please do leave them in the comment section below. I love reading your comments, I love getting your feedback, and from time to time I'll make a video about your comments or questions, so please do leave your comments in the comment section below. At the beginning I did say this girl was in 2 other videos, so why don't you check out this video? It's going to come up next, and you can click that once the end screen comes up, so you can check out her other videos, because there's other tutorial comments around that video as well. In the meantime, I think I might get back inside because it is getting a bit nippy, but I'll see you next week wherever I am. Enjoy the videos.